Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you.
Welcome to Trishul Defense Academy digital platform, sir. It's an honor to see you.
Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you.
It's indeed an honor to see you, sir. कितने लोगों के आदर्श हो सर आप?
Yeah.
I mean, I used to see you on We Are Stupid के YouTube channel पे. आज it's unbelievable. I'm seeing you. A quick
Thank you.
quick overview of sir to our viewers सर के बारे में वैसे तो जितना बताएं उतना कम है. ex Indian Air Force pilot. Thereafter sir did he entered into bodybuilding, Air Force bodybuilding के champion, trained under best of the best trainers. उसके बाद fitness expert, फिर writer, फिर author, successful entrepreneur and what not, sir. It's a long journey, sir. Indeed a long journey, sir.
It's a long journey.
Sir, थोड़ा सा बताओ please, sir. Please, we would like to know about your journey, sir. Generally, sir, जब यहाँ पे defense aspirants आते हैं, so when they get selected, be it at an officer level or at an OR level, they are very happy and they call themselves as successful. उसके बाद सर वो उसी सक्सेस की लेह में आगे अपना करियर बिताते हैं. बट सर यू आर एन एक्सेप्शन टू इट. आप एयरफोर्स में गए, एयरफोर्स में यू हैड योर ओन नेम एंड फ्रेम. उसके बाद आपने एयरफोर्स छोड़ी एंड नाउ यू आर अ सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन. आई मीन हाउ वाज दिस जर्नी सर? कैसी थी ये जर्नी?
Okay. So okay, let's say I was on entering the different exams.
Sure.
Okay. This time, of course, you are very nervous and you have to be very, very serious. You have to take care of multiple things to really clear the exams. Okay? Even if you don't clear it, is not the end of the world. This is what I tell people. And there are classic examples like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a classic example. Okay, he was not selected in the Air Force and thereafter he ruled all three services. So it doesn't matter because success has different meaning for different people. Once we get into the services, again, a lot of people have a different mindset. और ये सारे ऑफिसर्स वगैरह समझेंगे when they get into the services. Some people want to rise high. They work, hard and they're focused towards a particular thing. Some people are pretty okay. They want to have want to serve in the defense forces with the proper your right intention and everything. But thereafter they want to also have a career outside after a particular time of their life. They say, okay, now we have already seen this life. We want to see a different life. So, and a lot of people do good brilliantly outside. When they go out of service. But again, it depends from person to person how much or what is his level of satisfaction or what is his aim. A lot of Faujis are pretty happy. You must have seen them living a very good life.
Very good life, sir.
They're okay with the service. They're enjoying their lives and they're not having a lot of aspirations or something. Again, that's okay because they have lived their good life. Some people have aspirations. Some people have a dream or a different thing altogether. They work towards it. So I'm one of the guys who had a different aim or goal altogether. That's how I work towards.
But sir, amazing journey, sir. मैं मतलब generally since I come from a defense, I'm a defense kid, sir. तो it takes lots and lots of risks, sir. I mean बहुत courage चाहिए forces छोड़ के नया business start करना and you are one of the successful entrepreneurs today, sir. And congratulations.
No, I won't call myself very successful. I'm still at the starting point. Why? Because business and entrepreneurship has a different, it's a different ballgame altogether. In fact, जो services से बाहर आते हैं, उनके लिए job करना is still easy because it's a similar type of a hierarchy. But doing a business is a different ballgame. You really have to understand the outside world and the business world once you come out of services. And for me, this is actually the starting point because I have been the only kid in my family in number of things. So I'm the only kid who went into bodybuilding and won championship. I'm the only author in my family. I'm the only guy who went into NDA and Air Force. Only pilot in my family. And now I'm the only person in the family doing business.
Achha, okay.
So when you don't have any guidance, you have to really go to massive attempt trials.
Very true, sir. Very true. Sir, I would start bombarding the questions to you, sir, because time is limited. Sir, पहला question ये है. We all are well aware of the channel We Are Stupid. It is the first research-based YouTube channel. Sir, ये नाम कैसे आया? I mean, बताने में कि भाई We Are Stupid थोड़ा अलग लगता है सर. And this is out of the box, sir. जो वीडियोस जो आप वीडियोस डालते हो, इट इज टोटली आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सर. सारी परसेप्शन हट जाती है, सारी परसेप्शन. लाइक आई वॉज ऑलवेज टोल्ड दैट यू शुड ईट ब्रेकफास्ट एज इफ कि भैया तुम राजा आदमी हो, ब्रेकफास्ट ऐसा खाओ. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग योर ई बुक्स, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग थ्रू योर वीडियोस, परसेप्शन बदल गई. आई वॉज टोल्ड गर्म पानी से वजन कम होता है, बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग थ्रू योर वीडियोस, सब कुछ अलग हो गया. मतलब टोटली आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग है सर आपकी. सो हाउ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द नेम वी आर स्टूपिड टू द वीडियोस, इट्स ऑल आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सर. कैसे सर, ये कैसे आया आइडिया?
I'll not look. I'll tell you what. Firstly, I'll tell you why the We Are Stupid name. There was a time when I was sitting with my wife. This is, I think, channel के start होने से just पहले, and I was sitting with my wife watching a movie in one of the halls. And Fauji's love to watch movies in the weekends. So उनका favorite pastime होता है. Okay. So I was watching a movie with my wife, and there was, and we were talking about something. I think it was interval time या कुछ था. There was some scene I don't remember exactly. Sure. So idea, how stupid are these movies? I mean, what is this going on? So this suddenly it struck. So I asked my wife, isn't this name a very good name? Because there's a lot of stupidity going around in my field in terms of fitness and everything. So why don't we name this like, We Are Stupid? So she actually liked the name, and you won't believe, immediately after that, I think the interval happened. And the interval itself, I checked the domain name for We Are Stupid. Sure. And the one I had the spelling in name, so I had to check different spellings. It should not be ARE, it should be single R and all that,
Achha, okay.
So I found this particular domain name was there, and I immediately bought the domain name within next 30 minutes only. And thereafter I started thinking about the stupidity word. I really wanted to understand the meaning of the word stupid. So then I started reading about stupid, and the context of We Are Stupid is not just that stupidity means foolishness. Stupidity is basically a term which is used in human beings in almost all the contexts. We as humans are stupid in multiple forms.
Very true.
Okay. Somebody who thinks he knows everything, he's a stupid person.
Very true.
And somebody who wants to learn has to be stupid. So one stupid means more open-minded. And another stupid means more close-minded, narrow-minded. Okay. And the problem in India is there are brilliant people out there in every field. They are very open-minded people, but there are many more close-minded people in almost every field. They start believing word of mouths. They start believing anybody and everybody who starts, preaching things without any background, any base, any knowledge. So this was what was happening in fitness. When I got into fitness nutrition, my aim was to give them real research. Because it is not researched, okay, then it is, in most cases, it's a bluff. There are certain things on which research is still on. There is no conclusive answer, and you can tell, and I have been telling that also. But when research is available very clearly from last so many decades, you can't just make things on your own. Plus, हमारी families में क्या होता है इंडिया में ना, we believe lot of elderly, recommendations. वो जो दादा दादी के नुस्खे होते हैं, उनमें believe करते हैं. तो उनमें कोई चीजें believe करनी ठीक है, क्योंकि कोई harm नहीं है, लेकिन उसके भी reasons होते हैं. For example, in the same article I wrote on this fake Ayurveda doctor's video which came yesterday, I wrote an article also. So I told in the video that let's say your dadi is telling you, beta रात को अगर बीमार हो या कोई चोट लगी है तो रात को हल्दी वाला दूध पियो. Now dadi doesn't know that कि हल्दी वाले दूध का reason होता है because दूध has casein or protein and haldi is anti-inflammatory property जिसकी वजह से वो cure करता है. Okay, she doesn't know, but she is right on one thing. So such things are absolutely okay. But when it comes to medical advices and serious issues, and such, a lot of people become self-made doctors, self-made medical experts, Ayurvedic experts. That is where the problem starts coming in. The same one which you said, losing weight with drinking hot water.
Hot water, yes, sir.
There are sometimes we need to understand we are all educated. We need to at least go and check on how. एक क्वेश्चन तो अपने से करें, हम लोग क्वेश्चन ही नहीं करते इंडियंस.
नहीं करते.
How will it be? Common sense. It's just water.
मैं भी जब तक मैं We Are Stupid का फॉलोअर नहीं बना था शिद्दत से, तब तक वो यही ट्रेंड था कि ग्रीन टी पियो और पतले होते जाओ. आई वॉज वन ऑफ दोस. बट सो सर द क्रेडिट गोज टू मैम एज वेल. लेडी लक वर्कड फॉर यू. We Are Stupid के लिए लेडी लक वर्कड फॉर यू. Congratulations to ma'am also.
No, she has been the biggest support, and she is twice as busy as I am. She is a very senior lawyer, and she is a solicitor from England. So she has an office there. She has international cases, Indian cases, and she has to work double hard than what I am. So she is one of my inspirations there.
And you are inspiration for millions and millions of followers now. Sir, मेरे को ये बताओ, during your NDA days, sir, मतलब आई हैव हर्ड पापा से, पापा वाज इन अल्फा स्क्वाड्रन, ही जॉइंड एट
ओके, आई एम चार्जिंग स्क्वाड्रन,
60th कोर्स में थे सर। तो उन्होंने बोला कि यार एनडीए में बहुत रगड़ा था, बट ड्यूरिंग योर टाइम सर रगड़ा तो बहुत होगा, बट यू यूज्ड टू गेट टाइम फॉर बॉडी बिल्डिंग आल्सो सर?
नो नो,
टाइम मिलता था सर?
आई वाज एन एथलीट, I was a track and field athlete before I was a bodybuilder. Bodybuilding तो मैंने कभी सोची भी नहीं थी. In school days, because my mom was the national award winner 1980 to 83 in athletics.
मैंने पढ़ा था जी.
Yeah, so because of that, I was into athletics, so which helped me in the NDA training a lot. मुझे कभी PT test वगैरह में problem नहीं हुई, swimming test में problem नहीं हुई. NDA में I had all those things already. I mean, I could clear the 6th term test in my first term only. I had no problem in doing chin-ups, ropes and all those things.
अच्छा sir.
Okay. Yeah, the physically there was yeah, of course it was very hard because this is only PT test. वो तो एक 2% 3% का part है, जो बाकी रगड़ा is very different, right? So it is massively tough, but NDA does make a man out of a boy. But उस टाइम जो बॉडी बिल्डिंग थी उसके बारे में तो सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. बॉडी बिल्डिंग, आई लव वेट ट्रेनिंग, सो आई यूज्ड टू डू वेट ट्रेनिंग इन इंडिया आल्सो. कभी टाइम मिलता था या कुछ स्पेशली सीनियर टर्म्स में थोड़ा बहुत टाइम मिलता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू लव वेट ट्रेनिंग. और लेकिन उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड बॉडी बिल्डिंग इन माय फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग, नॉट इवन एयरफोर्स एकेडमी में आई यूज्ड टू डू वेट ट्रेनिंग. लेकिन उसके बाद इन माय फर्स्ट एफिडेंट बड़ौदा,
जी
I was posted in Baroda, so that was the place where I started bodybuilding first.
I remember reading आप अपना एयरक्राफ्ट में इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रखते थे और मतलब soon after landing or take off जी.
नहीं, not the instruments. I used to keep my kit. I mean, I used to fly in overalls, so I used to have a sports kit or something. हमारे bags तो होते ही हैं पीछे because हमें कहीं भी night hold करना पड़ सकता है, कई बार 2-3 दिन की ट्रिप, right? So wherever you are, generally airport stations have a normal gym which I can manage.
Yes sir.
So किसी भी एयरपोर्ट स्टेशन में लैंड किया, अगर टाइम मिला तो उसी टाइम, नहीं तो फिर रात को अगर वो है तो just change and go for a workout.
बट सर वर्कआउट करने आप 30 किलोमीटर दूर भी गए हो एयरफोर्स स्टेशन से, स्पेशली हलवार आईफा.
Even more, yeah.
More than that, sir.
Even more. I have driven a lot both in Baroda. Baroda was also almost similar, 20 or 30 kilometers, and Halwara was also similar. Guwahati was not very far, but the condition I have worked at, the worst place I can say in terms of workout conditions was Guwahati. That was the real challenge I faced during the competitive days, because humidity used to be 98%, 100%. And it was, and the Air Force station is next to the airport, which is like 30-40 kilometers from the city. So it is massively hot and humid, and they're very people outside are very poor. So I worked out in a gym which had, tinka sheets and all those things, and I used to do workouts sometimes in the open farms. But the guy there was very yeah. So that time I had an injury also. I had a surgery, but still I did bodybuilding there in those conditions, and I was winning even then.
But sir,
that was the real challenge.
Motivation was there. I must say, जितना पढ़ता हूँ मैं आपके बारे में, मोटिवेशन था सर. आज
because look, this is what I love to do. It was, nobody was forcing me. ऐसा नहीं है फौज में. This is you asking me. फौज में everybody has a different this thing. That's why I'm saying ना कि initially we all love to get into defense forces or any other forces or any other civil services or anything. But एक life में एक time आता है where you start realizing, okay, that this is another passion I have and I really want to do, because one thing is done now. So let's focus on the other. So that's how it happened. Yeah.
They work very hard to crack written interview. But कभी-कभी सर ऐसे couple number of cases हमने देखे हैं जो अकेडमी से वापस आ गए because they could not tolerate this physical pressure, sir. ऐसे students के लिए what is your opinion, sir? What is your suggestion? How do they work on their physical stamina, sir?
Okay, firstly, फिजिकल टेस्ट जो फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स एकेडमी के हैं ना, दैट इज एक तो फिजिकली इज इट्स नॉट वन थिंग व्हिच इज फिजिकली हार्ड. वहां पे ना मेंटल प्रेशर के साथ साथ फिजिकल प्रेशर होता है. सो जिस लेवल का फिजिकल प्रेशर है, मोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एबल टू टेक दैट.
जी.
अगर वहां पे प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर्ड ट्रेनिंग कराई जाए उन वीक स्टूडेंट्स को, तो शायद वो भी एक्सेल कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई वाज वन ऑफ द गाइज हु वाज गिवन इन चार्ज ऑफ सच वीक स्टूडेंट्स टू हेल्प देम इन फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल इन माय स्क्वाड.
होता है सर ऐसा? वहां होता है सर
ऐसा होता है. But then some people are, उन्होंने ना बचपन से वो देखा ही नहीं होता फिजिकल उस लेवल का. प्लस उनपे बिकॉज वो फिजिकली वीक हैं, तो उनपे एक मेंटल प्रेशर अलग, क्योंकि सारी चीजें तो चल ही रही हैं, कोई सेपरेट टाइम तो इतना मिल नहीं रहा है उनको. तो वो फिर गिव अप करने वाली कंडीशन में आ जाते हैं जब टेस्ट फेल हो रहे हैं, कुछ हो रहा है. तो बहुत एक्सेप्शनली ऐसे केसेस भी होते हैं जहाँ पे इंसान को रेलीगेट होना पड़ता है कुछ टर्म, एंड देन द एकेडमी हैज टू से थैंक यू, बिकॉज वो नहीं कर पा रहा है, कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहा है, इससे बेटर कि उसको इंजरीज हो जाए या कुछ और मेजर प्रॉब्लम हो जाए या मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन हो जाए, तो फिर ये द एकेडमी लेट्स हिम गो।
अच्छा,
तो उस केस में अगर मैं यंगस्टर्स की बात करूं, देखो you cannot improve massively in physical in the academy. Of course you will have improvement, but academy का aim होता है to get everybody to the same level.
जी जी जी।
लेकिन उसके लिए बेसिक फिटनेस लेवल बहुत जरूरी है। एंड ये अनफॉर्चुनेट फैक्ट है कि हमारे स्कूल में जो बेसिक, पहले क्या होता था कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 15-20 years back, स्कूल यूज्ड टू हैव प्लेग्राउंड्स, किड्स यूज्ड टू बी टायर्ड, प्ले द एंटायर डे, कभी कुछ खेल रहे हैं कभी कुछ, वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी है। तो दे आर सिटिंग ऑन देयर सेल फोन्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स द एंटायर डे। अब सडनली इस लाइफस्टाइल से वो इंडिया कुछ करके क्लियर कर भी जाते हैं, तो वहां पे जाके वो स्टैंडर्ड उनसे जो इतने हाई फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड है वो टॉलरेट ही नहीं होते। सो माय सजेशन फॉर यंगस्टर्स वुड बी, इफ यू plan that okay, you know, you want to get into the uniform, be it any academy, you have to start quite early. You have to start working out, start exercising. My suggestion would be better to choose a sport, especially जैसे track and field हो गया, athletics हो गया, swimming हो गया, ये sports को choose करो so that you get an overall development.
My next question was I was about to ask you this only, sir. आजकल जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं सर, या तो वो रिटन के लिए मेहनत करा लो उनसे, या उनसे बॉडी बनवा लो। मतलब प्लीज डोंट टेक इट अदरवाइज सर, बट दे से कि भाई हमारे ऊपर इतना मेंटल प्रेशर है, पढ़ाई का इतना प्रेशर है दैट वी कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन आवर बॉडी। लाइक आई नो कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स सर, जो कंपटीशन की तैयारी करते करते एकदम गुबाड़ा बन गए। तो सर ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करें? बिकॉज सर कंपटीशन का भी द लेवल ऑफ कंपटीशन इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे सर। मतलब आप 412
these are not students
sir,
these are not students, stupid kids. The students, देखो, firstly understand, yes there is pressure at the level of students and we have all undergone, so ये नहीं बोल सकता कि मैं स्टूडेंट था तो प्रेशर नहीं था या मैं कोई सुपर हीरो था, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है जी। बट स्टूडेंट लाइफ एक ऐसी टाइम होता है, एक ऐसी लाइफ होती है ना जिसमें यू नो यू कैन टू द ब्रिम
जी।
और जब हम पुशिंग की बात करते हैं तो पुशिंग इज नॉट जस्ट थ्रू मेंटल लेवल ऑन स्टडिंग। यू डोंट वांट टू मेक ए Forge does not want an A grade, a super intelligent topper of a class.
Sir.
When you're facing a bloody bullet coming from the border, you will not open a book and tell me, okay, this is the angle of the bullet.
Very true. Practical approach hona chahiye.
So that's why kids today go to India, na, they are actually surprised to the level of physical activity. Trust me, I also being a track and field athlete and working out multiple times a day under top coaches, even I was taken aback by the level of training in India. तो आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं जो बिल्कुल ही lethargic हैं and you know they're gaining fat and all sitting, ये बोल के कि हमारे पास पढ़ाई है, they get massively depressed in India because वहाँ पे जो pressure आता है ना वो day one से ऐसे आता है।
अच्छा।
और उसको झेलने के लिए you need to have some physical base. So any kid who is telling you he does not have time, he is just making an excuse. Unfortunately, he has not been guided in the right way. Yeah, when the top millionaires in this world can take a time for workouts and physical activity, kids are easily they have a lot of energy. It is just somebody is not guiding them.
Probably sir, probably this is one of the reasons why, especially आजकल बस पढ़ाई का ही बहाना रहता है कि सर कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं and they end up bloating like anything sir. सर मेरे को एक चीज़ बताओ, I have read few of your books. यहाँ पे डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स बहुत सारे नौकनी के बारे में पूछते हैं सर, एंड मतलब दे आस्क फॉर द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नौकनी। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने आपकी ये वाली बुक नहीं पढ़ी है, मैंने आपकी बहुत सारी अलग बुक पढ़ी हुई हैं। सो सर इज देयर एनी सॉल्यूशन टू नौकनी प्रॉब्लम सर?
Okay, I'll tell you the reality of things in which everybody needs to accept it. Problem is हमारी acceptance नहीं होती है, हम solutions ढूंढते हैं. Firstly, there are two type of knocknees which people talk about. One is an orthopedic defect which a person has got from the time he is born.
जी.
Right?
Ji.
Now the angle and the level of that amount of knock knees can differ. But if it is an orthopedic problem where your knee angle itself is inverted and it's curved inside, then you need to first go to an orthopedic doctor.
Ji.
And in most cases even the doctor can't do anything, especially अगर वो deficiencies वगैरह check करके थोड़ा बहुत ठीक कर सकता है. But वो doctor भी आपको बोलता है कि यार इतने extreme का जो answer है that is only a surgery. And if you undergo a surgery then that's a big problem. So it's a different ball game altogether.
Achha.
Most of the kids today have the type of knock knees they're talking about. It is to do with something called tightness of muscles. That's a very different type of a knock knee. So that type of a minor or mild knock knee can be treated. For example, you will see if you make somebody do a squat, a lot of people, their knees start caving in. Okay, that is a different type of a knock knee. That is just tightening of muscle, adductor muscle. That can be done away with. Okay. But if somebody is born with a minor defect, an angular defect in the knee, then you can't really treat it. Achha. And that's a hard fact to be accepted.
Okay, sir, we would request from the Trishul family that we want one book duly signed by you. Knock knee wali jo book hai, sir, but duly signed by you. We want to keep it in our library. Be it a digital form, but sir signature आपका चाहिए, because aspirants अभी तो सर कोविड चल रहा है, we have the platform is online. Otherwise sir we do want आपका we do play some of your videos sir. आपकी videos जो We Are Stupid पे हैं, those which are related to the physical stamina, we do play it sir यहाँ पे, and that's how आपकी popularity बहुत है in Trishul Defense Academy sir. एंड बिलीव मी सर, हम लोग इंडक्शन में आपकी 2 वीडियोस दिखाते हैं वी आर स्टूपिड के चैनल की, और यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स आपको इंडियन रैम्बो बोलते हैं। इंडियन रैम्बो, हाँ, यहाँ पे वी से कि भाई सर सिल्वेस्टर स्टेलोन के मतलब इंडियन फॉर्म है, सो आपका नामकरण हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे इंडियन रैम्बो कर रखा है सर। सर फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में देयर आर मेनी मिथ्स एंड चैनल लाइक वी आर स्टूपिड क्लियर्स ईच एंड एवरी मिथ। आपको क्या लगता है अपने इंडियंस में अभी सबसे बड़ा मिथ क्या है सर फिटनेस वर्ल्ड को लेके? मतलब सर आई री इलैबोरेट इट। आपने सर सप्लीमेंट्स को क्लियर किया, बहुत सारे सप्लीमेंट्स को लिटरली धोया कि भैया ऐसे इससे कुछ नहीं होगा। बहुत सारे खाने, स्पेशली ग्लूटेन, आई हैव रेड द बुक ऑन दैट, वो ग्लूटेन फ्री डाइट जो थी उस पर आपने क्लियर किया। बॉर्न टू मूव में आपने बताया इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वॉकिंग। तो सर व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द बिगेस्ट मिथ राइट नाउ? कुछ भी वी टॉक अबाउट वाटर।
कुछ नहीं, no, there is no one myth. There is no one myth in the industry, and myths different fields को लेकर होते हैं, different individuals को लेकर होते हैं। But मैंने बताया ना कि origin जो है ना इन सारी myths का origin जो है वो हमारी Indian education system की वजह से, जहाँ पे हम आपको question करना नहीं सिखाते। We blindly believe and start following people who themselves have no background and who are giving you anything on the basis of, just, for example, all the babas and all you must have seen, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कहीं से भी। प्रॉब्लम क्या है, लोग उनसे क्वेश्चन नहीं करते, वो डरते हैं क्वेश्चन करते हुए। ठीक है, सेम विद अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स। यू नीड टू आस्क दीस स्टूपिड यूट्यूबर्स दैट व्हेन यू से समथिंग ऑन द नेट, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वाचिंग यू। If you're saying it wrong, then there are two things. Either you know it is wrong, but you have an intention of, selling something, or wrong intention of marketing something. Or you yourself do not know. In both cases, it is very dangerous for the viewer. So my question to the viewer is, why don't you ask? Why don't you ask him how? Why? On what basis? Everything purely, especially on the internet where you talk about fitness, nutrition, supplementation, it is on the basis of science and research. If something is not on the basis of research, then there has to be a very simple ambiguity के okay, it may not, आप try कर सकते हो, because अभी इस पे कोई clear study नहीं। लेकिन अगर clear studies हैं और decades की studies हैं and still people have their own self-made concepts, then that is the problem. People need to question why.
Sir, advertisements have a important role in this, sir. बचपन से हम लोगों को वो शुगर सिरप्स, ड्रिंक्स बताए गए, दूध में मिलाओ और हाइट बढ़ेगी, और we end up having diabetes, we end up having weight put on। मतलब मैंने तो सर, अब I don't want to name the drink on this platform, but सर मैंने इतना पिया है वो CSD कैंटीन का, at the end of the day उसकी वजह से बहुत वेट बढ़ा सर। बट सर उसमें वो because of advertisements and all सर, तो मुझे लगता है कि उस पर भी रोक होना चाहिए सर। मतलब there should be some regulatory body जो advertisements को भी रोके।
यार कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये रेगुलेटरी बॉडी जनरली इसको फंक्शन करने दिया नहीं जाएगा, क्योंकि एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आर अ बिग सोर्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू, राइट? And that's why the government has to somewhere come in the middle and be a bit sensible. For example, Abhi, I was raising a voice from last couple of years on this word fairness creams. And thankfully somebody in the government must have been working पहले से, और suddenly the fairness concept ban हो गया, तो all this fair and lovely and handsome, they've all changed their names. Okay, which is a good step, right?
Very good.
But the thing is that same is with a lot of these drinks for children, because the government does not have any regulation. I mean, every single ad which you see of children's drink, if today I expose those drinks and show what is written behind, they write it behind the box. They cannot hide that, right? And now they're very smart. What they're doing is they're trying to give different names to stuff which is, which is to be hidden, but they cannot simply hide it. So if you read what is written behind, you will never even give to a, street dog those things. It is so dangerous for the kids' world. But they are being sold openly. Why? Because जो regulations हैं वो इतनी strict नहीं है country. If you go to Europe and all, the regulations there are very strict.
Okay.
In India, it is not so.
It is not so strict. Sir, अब एक question related to gym. Sir, you own Body Mechanics Gym, and which is competing international brands like Golds and all, sir. तो sir, how did you end up opening a gym, sir? मतलब कैसे ये idea आया Body Mechanics का? And I've heard, sir, मैंने वो जो टेस्टिमोनियल्स होते हैं वो देखे, लोगों के वीडियोस पढ़े, लोगों के मैसेजेस पढ़े, एंड ड्रास्टिक इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है सर बेसिक चीज़ों से. जो लोग पहले वार्म अप के लिए ट्रेडमिल पे आधे घंटे करते थे, आप कहते हो कि वो बस सेलिंग पॉइंट के लिए है और कोई काम नहीं उस चीज़ का. मतलब आई माई सेल्फ इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ जेनेसिस सर प्रोग्राम, एंड हाँ सर 5 kgs का फ़र्क आया है थैंक्स टू यू. तो सर मतलब कैसे सर ये वाला भी, हाउ डिड यू प्लान टू ओपन दिस सेटअप सर बॉडी मैकेनिक्स का सर?
Okay, body mechanics was something which was being planned before I left the service, because of course you cannot plan your career immediately. You are you leave the service suddenly. So it was at least, I think, in year से भी पहले 1-1.5 साल पहले से ही I knew that okay, the service is this thing is going to end. I'm going to be out of the service very soon. I'm going to leave and my uniform. But I was already in talks with a couple of guys outside who were my friends, and we were planning such a concept. So I had 2 partners. One is Sunny Gambhir and another is Sunny Gulati. We all 3 planned the concept of body mechanics, in which everybody had a different role to play. So one was the admin, design and marketing head. Another was the finance and everything, he was handling everything. I was the one who was the technical head. So what equipments are to be kept, what training protocols to be followed, what trainers to be selected, interviewing them, training them, dealing with the clients, everything was under me in this particular part. Okay. So we were working in a form of a team. So when X point and all the other points were taken care of by my partners, that time I was in peace that I can take care of my part. So everybody had to work equally hard, and of course still do. My first point was to choose the right coaches. So I had to really struggle hard to choose the best team. Then I had to train them. There were multiple sessions I have to take with them every week. Set meetings हुई, कुछ हुआ कि भाई ये point गलत है, आज ये issues आए हैं. धीरे we started, when this knowledge started growing the right way, they were implementing. There are a couple of things I wanted to tell them, and they were not ready to believe because they were new concepts. And I told them that I'll make you increase your earnings and income intake, just follow what I'm saying. And that's what they did. Their incomes, what they were earning, almost doubled and tripled. And today, most of the coaches in body mechanics who have been there, they are one of the highest earning coaches in most of the gyms. They're in very good packages, because they're following what I told. So now they're ready to work hard and follow that no bullshit rule. Of course, कुछ गड़बड़ होती है, हर जगह पे होती है, ठीक है? But we keep on checking practices from time to time.
सर बहुत डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज हैं. अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एनिमल वॉक्स, मतलब ये तो बहुत ही अलग चीज़ है सर. कभी सुना नहीं, कभी देखा नहीं, कभी पढ़ा नहीं. दिस वाज वन कॉन्सेप्ट जिसको आप इंडिया में लाए हो और अब लोग धीरे धीरे उसको कॉपी कर रहे हैं. देखो सर, टेंडेंसी होती है, पीपल बेंचमार्क, पीपल कॉपी, बट आई एम श्योर जब तक वो आपको कॉपी करेंगे आप कुछ नया ले आओगे. बट एनिमल वॉक्स वॉज समथिंग विच वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट सर, टोटली डिफरेंट. और सर वो मतलब 5 मिनट 10 मिनट कर लो, अच्छों की हवा निकल जाती है उसमें, अच्छों की. आई हैव कपल नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स सर जो बड़े उन्होंने बॉडी बिल्डिंग की है, बट एनिमल वॉक्स एंड ऑल वाज टोटली डिफरेंट अप्रोच सर. सर इतना सब करते हो विद इन अ डे, हाउ डू यू डिराइव एनर्जी? आई मीन सर इतनी एनर्जी कैसे आती है सर? वी आर स्टूपिड के लिए वीडियोस बना रहे हो, उसके लिए पढ़ रहे हो. आई हैव हैपेंड टू सी योर लाइब्रेरी ऑल्सो. वो सुपर क्वारंटाइन वर्कआउट में मैं आपको बहुत फॉलो करता हूं, तो मैं आपकी बुक्स कोशिश कर रहा था जूम करके देखने की. तो आपके पास इतना पढ़ते हो, हर चीज़ के लिए रिसर्च है, हर चीज़ के पीछे रीज़न है. मतलब हाउ मच डू यू स्लीप? दिस वाज वन ऑफ माय क्वेश्चंस.
Sleeping is something which is quite a luxury for me. Look, when I talk about this thing, I have told in a lot of other live sessions and a lot of other interviews that what is important for anybody in the world, it is not time management. Time management is a very wrong concept. time management is for those people who are not interested in their jobs or who are not following their passion. Somebody who is following their passion, that is the first thing. First, choose your passion, and thereafter you have to do something called energy management. सबके पास उतने ही घंटे हैं. Whether it's Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or anybody, everybody had 24 hours only. Nobody had more hours. So what they were able to do is take out the maximum work out of those times. Okay, so uske liye you need high energy. So you should be doing energy management. You should be able to last long hours and take out the maximum output of, let's say, 8 to 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, whatever you're putting in your work.
Sure.
Right? The first thing is choose your passion. If you're passionate about something, you will really not get tired. Okay. Then have a slightly higher aim. Do not aim low. Okay.
Sure.
And plus, you should be ready to accept, firstly, that whatever is happening, you need to, for example, now this is just, you're talking about one thing. Now, my main focus is, of course, my work and everything, but also because I have twins, I have to manage them. I have to manage the family, everything. There are multiple things in the family side going on, right? Then managing the work, my writing thing, I have a team who manages a couple of things for me in terms of, whether it's Genesis, whether it is my online stuff, So it's quite difficult, but it takes time to make a setup wherein you can manage such things. And of course, it keeps on getting tougher. It never gets easier.
So post leaving Indian Air Force, did it ever happen that you failed in any of the ventures? People do not talk about their failures, but I really want you to talk about if there is any, because generally होता क्या है, बंदा एक बार NDA रिटन क्वालिफाई कर लेता है SSB से, if he is flunked out, उसकी पूरी मोटिवेशन खत्म हो जाती है. And I want you to set an example for this, sir. अब I cannot expect you to talk on SSB failures, but हाँ, मैं ये जरूर चाहूंगा कि सर फेलियर्स पे भी कुछ बात करो आप.
Okay, I'll tell all the students firstly when we talk about failures. Let's say when I gave my Josh talks, I told there also that the first thing which I encountered when you talk about failures was when I flunked in my 12th in maths. So even back then and even now, I flunked in maths. Okay, so when I flunked in maths, now people were like, they as such never believed that I could do something. Because back then, if a kid is naughty or he's into sports or he's not very good in academics, he was already termed useless for life. वो तो एक India में अभी भी होता है. क्योंकि they think marks is everything when they don't understand actually marks mean nothing after you clear your 12th. Whether you are a 90, 95%er or you are a 60%er, it decides nothing about, I have no idea about life. And anybody who has done something in life, really done something good in life, he knows the reality and he will not say anything to the person who has not got marks or anything. He knows the reality. Okay. So thereafter, when I came out of ND, as I told you, that business was something nobody had ever done. So I had nobody to tell me. I had no idea about what online is. You won't believe. I did not even know how to operate Instagram, Facebook. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था. YouTube तो बिल्कुल ही alien चीज थी. शुरू मैंने थोड़ा बहुत देखा, कुछ नहीं पता था. जो concept था वो काफी बाद में शुरू हुआ. लेकिन even for next one, if you check my BS Stupid ka channel for next 1.5 years almost, there was hardly any subscribers, hardly any growth, because I never knew what is the back end work to be done. What are the, when you just don't make a video. There are multiple things to be done inside. So I had no idea. I had no website, nothing. I mean, I was totally clueless. So I started reading, studying more, doing more research exactly how the IT concept works, and I understood that I cannot do it alone, because इसमें ये एक niche है जो अपनी mastery है हर एक की. So then I started making a team. I started consulting people. I got cheated a lot of times by people who were doing malpractices. Okay, I spent a lot of unnecessary, wasted a lot of money. People are there outside to cheat you. They will not deliver. They'll do some hanky-panky, and you will ultimately realize after a couple of months that nothing happened and you are just cheated. Okay, so I encountered such people. There are a lot of other business things which I tried, but I failed. Or ideas I had, which I eventually realized that it looks good as an idea, but when you start implementing, the outcome is very different. Okay. So even in gyms, when you talk about gym today is a very different kind of a business. You cannot just have gym as the business. You have to have multiple other businesses, especially अब जैसे COVID था. अब इस टाइम पे किसी ने expect नहीं किया था कि क्या gyms वगैरह बंद हैं, तो अब हो जाएंगे ऐसे. कभी human history में नहीं हुआ तो क्या करेंगे, right? But I was already having my online business set up. So In fact, I think except for a month or so, my revenue actually peaked in the time of COVID in my online businesses. Right. So it's not because I did something special. It was because I have been doing it from some time now. तो establish हो रहा था, तो I knew कि अब people will be running online, and I already had a setup on. Okay, but it's all started, I think, last year, November, December, when I really made a team, really worked on the website and everything, and now I'm just trying to push it and grow in multiple formats and still studying. I really have to study a massive amount.
बहुत your team is one of the best teams, sir, I must say, because
I'll give an example. Books actually for
sir, I'm sorry, you're not audible, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm sorry, you're not audible. The last line, sir.
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir.
Yeah, so I was saying, let's say I talk about the you're cutting थोड़ा सा connection issue.
अभी सही है sir, अभी सही है. Sir, am I audible?
It's okay. Yeah.
Sir.
So I was giving. You're audible now. You're audible now.
Sir, बताएं sir, please.
Yeah. So okay, I was talking about the Kindle books. So I was saying, like, one of the things I write is books, right? But there have been times when my books have been on the Amazon bestseller also for a couple of times, and then they get down. This is how it goes. You go on bestseller, come down. But the real revenue which I want to earn from Amazon Kindle is not that one which I've really extracted, because my revenue can go really up. So I had a lot of failures in everything. Even now, I'm still understanding the concept of writing ebooks properly, giving the links, disclaimers, proper covers, using of keywords, and thereafter optimizing how to sell proper ebooks, Kindle books. I have been cheated massively by a lot of publishers in books. Okay, even now, I think I have to go legally against one person who initially cheated me. He is already vanished. So, and so I got cheated and I got failed in multiple, fields, and I will face a lot of failures eventually. I know it. That's all part of the game here.
But you keep moving forward, sir.
There is no option. What will you do?
सही बात है, sir. Sir, a word for defense aspirants, as in hard work pays or the smart work pays. आजकल ना सर ये बड़ा मेरे से भी आके पूछते हैं कि सर ये बताओ, ये जो स्मार्ट वर्क का कॉन्सेप्ट है, आपने MBA किया हुआ है, तो व्हाट पेस, मतलब मेरे नज़र में हार्ड वर्क पेस, बट देन देर आर वेरियस एग्जांपल्स जहाँ पे स्मार्ट वर्क पेस. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दिस, सर?
Firstly, let me clear this concept of smart work. There is nothing called smart work. Smart work is based on hard work. If you cannot look, smartness is only in choosing a particular field. And, let's say I talk about a field of, let's say you talk about these guys who are preparing for SSB.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
All the kids who are preparing for SSB, they cannot just do smart work and clear SSB. It is not possible. Right? Smartness can be in a couple of things, but that is the base has to be a lot of hard work. You have to really work hard in both academics, physical activity, your own fitness, the group tasks, psychological tasks, the outdoor tasks, everything which you teach them in your academy, all the things, they have to really go do the reasoning. You must be suggesting that Edgar Thorpe, the reasoning books and all, right? So they have to really practice multiple times so that they get a hang of the things. There is simply no smart work out here. It is pure hard work. I remember I practiced these reasonings so many times that when I reached आज को पता नहीं screening out होता है कि नहीं, उस टाइम पर screening out होता था
70% sir screen out.
No, यही same उतना ही उस टाइम में rate था. तो when I went to Mysore for my first SSB on that was my first ever. So when I went there and I sat for the reasoning exam. So out of 90 kids who were sitting there, okay, I think only 15 or 20 got selected. And I was the first one in the entire hall to give up the paper. And the invigilator, I think he was a student leader, and he was himself, थोड़ा सा हैरान है, how come this guy is done, and उसके 10-10 मिनट बाद तक किसी ने नहीं करा. तो उसको थोड़ा शक हुआ कि इसको आता है कि ये मस्ती कर रहा है. But when he checked, I was having one of the highest numbers. I was the first one to. Why? Because I practiced. So you have to really get into something. अगर clear करना है defense forces का, तो बाकी चीजें सारी distraction है. Just be 100% into it.
So that means hard work pays.
There is nothing called smart work like this. Smart work बहुत बाद में आता है.
Sir, एक question था which is out of the league. Any plans to join politics? सर आफ्टर मेजर राठौर
My mindset is not a political mindset. I mean, I'm not a guy who. I'm थोड़ा सा guy who trusts people easily.
पता नहीं हमें ऐसा क्यों लगता है. I mean, we have couple number of friends that we need a sports minister like you because आपका approach starts from the base, sir. आप बोलते हो कि kids should be given strength training. वहाँ जो पूरी दुनिया ये कहती है कि भैया अगर बच्चों को तुमने वेट्स उठवा दिया तो उसकी हाइट रुक जाएगी. तो योर अप्रोच इज टोटली डिफरेंट. अगर वो बेसिक स्कूल लेवल से इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया जाए, सो व्हाई नॉट सर? मतलब
यार, if a chance is given, my wife will be a much more better politician than I am ever. But when a chance is given like this, definitely I would avail. But the problem in India is you do not get chances on the basis of your qualification or anything. You get chances on the basis of the political mindset is very different. Their aim is not to just improve in sports or something. Their aim firstly is more of a vote bank thing and popularity वाला thing. तो इसलिए उस फील्ड में घुसना और उसमें एक्सेल करना is a very different ball.
मतलब मैं जब स्क्रिप्ट बना रहा था तो मेरे को मेजर राजवर्धन सिंह राठौर जी का एग्जांपल आया, तो मैंने कहा व्हाई नॉट सर आल्सो. आई मीन व्हाई कांट.
Yeah, I know Rathore sir. I have trained him for a couple of sessions. Rathore sir was there in Delhi. I was there in Delhi that time. So he used to practice in the Air Force gym only in Delhi. I remember he had a knee surgery उसकी हुई थी. तो he wanted to meet me. Why? Because I was the only officer in all the 3 services in bodybuilding. So one of my coaches was helping him. And thereafter I met him that evening. I was in the gym workout ke liye. I met him and I trained sir for a couple of sessions for his knee and everything.
Okay.
And उसके बाद भी मैं मिला हूँ. Not a lot of times I met sir उसके बाद. But he's a great guy.
बस मेरे दिमाग में तभी आया कि why not sir also? I mean in coming times, sir इतने ज़्यादा ventures है, why not this also? Sir, last piece of advice is for the defense aspirant, sir. I mean, we quote you as an example. We are very thankful to you. वो सब चीजें अलग हैं, but we quote you as an example. A successful Fauji by nature, once a soldier will always remain a soldier, irrespective of the businesses which you have, sir. But I am sure love for Air Force will be the topmost priority for you. तो sir,
always.
Do you miss that life, sir? पहले तो ये सवाल पूछूं.
No, I'll not say yes and no because वो लाइफ भी जी, अब ये वाली लाइफ भी अलग है. उसके अपने प्रोज एंड कॉन्स थे, इसके अपने प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं. So that's life, yeah. It's overall it's life. That's how it is. Yes, I do miss a lot of things in Air Force. Definitely I do.
Advices for our young defense aspirants जो फौज में कदम रखेंगे, sir.
Okay, there are 2 advices. The first one will be when you are preparing for defense forces or any other competitive exam in life,
sure,
then there is nothing in your life except for that competitive exam. Everything else is a distraction. Remove the distractions from your life. Just focus. If you are doing anything when you, let's say you have decided to, get into NDA or IMA or any other competitive exam.
Sure.
Now, if you're not doing anything related to that particular exam, then you are just wasting time. So everything else is a distraction for you at that particular time, except for preparing for the exam. Get fully into it from every particular angle. Second advice is, if you do not get cleared, then it doesn't mean you are not capable or something. It doesn't matter 1%. Because we tend to think like a कुएं का मेंढक कि बस यही दुनिया अगर ये कुछ खत्म होगी तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. ऐसा नहीं. The world is beautiful. People are doing phenomenal outside. My suggestion to everybody would be try and do some sort of a travel the country, travel the world and see how the world is. Do not restrict your thoughts कि ये नहीं हुआ तो आगे दुनिया बंद हो रही है. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. You can do wonderfully well and even much better, even if you're not able to clear the competitive exam. But not clearing should be on the basis that you have really worked hard and tried your best. ऐसे नहीं है कि मैंने तैयारी भी नहीं करी लेकिन देखा जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं.
Very true. Careless attitude won't work.
Yes, attitude is very important. You have to be sincere everywhere.
But sir, I must say आपका इतना optimistic view है हर चीज के प्रति. You are one happy man जो Air Force में भी खुश है, ना Air Force भी खुश है. I mean, I would request all the viewers. अभी हम लोग सर by 7 o'clock we will start the broadcasting of this session. I would request all the viewers to please visit VR Stupid YouTube channel because sir उससे ना बहुत अच्छे अप्रोचेस मिलते हैं लाइफ के लिए. एक तो सर वो जो पुरानी लीग चली आ रही है ना उसको आपने तोड़ दिया है उसमें. बीट एनी वीडियो सर, आप बिल्कुल, मतलब मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि आपको तो Z+ सिक्योरिटी मिलनी चाहिए, बिकॉज एक साथ इतने लोगों के साथ पंगे लेना इज आई मीन जोक्स अपार्ट सर, बट ट्रस्ट मी सर, दीज वीडियोज आर worth knowledge sir. Thank you for being there sir. Thank you for educating the mass people. It is not about आप YouTube चैनल त्रिशूल पे आए, ओवरऑल सर आप जैसा बंदा अगर भारत में और 2 4 5 हों तो जनता एजुकेटेड होगी सर, एंड यू आर डूइंग गुड फॉर दी सोसाइटी सर, एंड अगर इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो सर सोसाइटी के लिए, सो यू हैव एवरी राइट टू आई मीन अर्न योर ब्रेड एंड बटर आउट ऑफ इट सर. Thank you for being there sir.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you
So much.